So, hi guys, it's me Carly, and I'm literally after work, and I kind of wanted to use my new laptop because this is why I bought it, to use it. And there is this reoccurring problem that I have, which is for some reason my new laptop with Windows 11 is kind of like having this um, driver problem with anything that I try to plug in, but I found a way to do this, and it's kind of like, I don't know, maybe it will help anybody or not, but I just wanted to make this video even for myself in case I forget how to do this. But there's this thing where you can like try to update the drivers, but it says that it's up to date and all that bullshit, but you can also click on that, which is then the option for doing this. And as you can see, there is another one thing, which I don't really know what it does. I'm not really like the greatest in like trying to fix the computers, but that's all I know when it works. And if I click on a second thing, because the first one was, I don't know, in use or something, but if I click on a second thing, and this is yet another time, it's not even the singular thing that happened, it's yet another time. And when I do this, it's kind of like helping, because as you can see, it doesn't have the yellow thing anymore. And let me just see if my mouse is moving, as you can see, which it didn't really move before, because there is this weird reoccurring problem, but I just thought like, I don't know, I will just make this video and also test some skills of my new laptop that can play Diablo 4 now, but yeah, I hope maybe that was helpful somehow for somebody, I don't know, but yeah, just thought I'm gonna make this even for myself to remember. But if you see this video and you can give me the answer why that might be the reason my laptop is doing this, then feel free to comment, hit me up. But yeah, I think bye now.